Okay, so I'm back in business now. I have a new piece of equipment, excavator, probably around 34,000 pound unit, and this should be good enough over the next 2 weeks to go ahead and make sure I get this lot cleared so I can begin to level it. So this is what's left of my last burn pile. Nothing too crazy left, but I'm gonna have to get everything situated so the next time I burn, I'll be able to really work efficiently before I was moving back and forth and having to move the unit and turn it around and everything like that. And it's really made a mess of the tracks and the mud and everything. So strategically, I'm going to ideally be able to either swing the boom. So maybe I'll pile up over here, swing the boom from side to side with enough separation, and I plan on having another pile maybe over here that I'm thinking of it, so I can drive forward on the on the tracks with the unit and pick up another bucket full of material and just go back and forth here on this track. So, but I'm going to clear the land, so it's going to be a lot of trees that I'll be basically moving into a pile. But there's probably 60 odd trees Okay, so evidently I'm leaking. Oh, and that's oil. Looks like oil. Actually, it's fluid. I don't know why this thing would leak, but it's leaking. Clearly it's leaking. Wow. It's hydraulic fluid. No good. So yeah, it's a lot too. It's a lot coming out. So this project has basically been on hold. And now that I get moving again, the the excavator stopped altogether this morning, and now it's leaking. So no good. Well, I put together a decent sized pile here. There's setbacks with any projects and any schedule. There's pretty much once you set a schedule, chances are pretty good that there's going to be delays out of your control. So these delays are because I don't own the equipment, and between rental companies and repairs, and it's been a little bit of a rough time trying to get progress here. But the major portion of the work is done. The land has been logged, so matter of now just clearing it. So pretty much from this point forward, small portion, but it's pretty much clear besides small trees, talking like 2-inch in diameter. But yeah, got most of the stumps out. There's one tree there that's gonna be a keeper. I got, looks like 2 stumps here, a couple of other trees. This wood is good. I think this is maple, and I think it's sugar maple. So I'm keeping these off to the side. I'm going to either A, keep it for myself and just have it as firewood, or the difficult part is getting it out of here, having a local guy chop it up for me in his machine. So that's more than likely what I'm going to do. I'm going to chop these up 8-foot lengths or something, get some type of I think at that point he can handle on his truck. So I have him come in, and I'm thinking about this now. The more I clear around where the trailers are and the camper, that will allow him just to basically drive and turn around. So once I get these big stumps out of the way, but I can't get the big stumps out of the way without my excavator. So like anything else, setbacks set you up for comebacks. So I'll be back.